What's up, guys? It's your one and only gifted disciple FX in the building. So right now we offer weekly. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday on the 19th of May 2025. I hope each and every one of y'all are doing great, staying blessed out there, and I hope that this week is going to offer some great opportunities. So looking, once more, I'm not a professional, but I do consider myself as someone that's going to get there someday. Okay, so looking off our weekly on NASDAQ. Looking off on our weekly on NASDAQ, we can clearly see from last week's news. I just figured out that Donald Trump spoke about some sales that happened, and he urged all the people to buy on NASDAQ and buy stocks, buy the indices, and it served everything. It served right to the T correctly. This was our range for that week. This bullish, this old bull straight to the up with this big gap in the middle, which pushed us up to the top. So going off our analysis, as we always do, we always work with our analysis. So going off our analysis, Fibonacci of the weekly low to the weekly high. To identify that area over there, the area that I marked out over there. This area here, 76.8, 78.6, we marked it down of our weekly, and then we go to our daily time frame. Look, I was hoping we'd get some type of rejection to form our head and shoulders first, because we were really looking forward to our head and shoulders, but it looks like it's not happening at this point. You can see that our daily for the week, our daily was very bullish in the area here, and then it traded back a little to the upside. So in saying that, we did miss that. We missed that long. I'll show you that long in a bit. We missed that long when it pulled up. Let me show you that long. Okay, so we can clearly see from our weekly. We can clearly see from our weekly, after that pull down into this area right there, we would mark this low into that high, and then we would have entered our long position right about there in this gap. We would be targeting the highs. Fortunately, we missed out on this beautiful trade. It's a nice trade. That was a very nice trade. Yeah, we missed out on that trade, but nonetheless, we can still look for more opportunities. So we go for daily. We can go check on our daily of this previous low that it formed there to the high. We're still working on that high there, because we haven't filled any new highs ever since we haven't filled any new highs. We have filled in new lows, because we can look after that pull there. We can look at this area right over here, equal lows into here, equal lows into there, into that little area over there, to get more buys. You see, to get more buys, and we'll use this low as our focal point for trades, for re-entries and trades to get back in. I feel like we missed out already. We were hoping that we'd get our head and shoulders, but we didn't. And I guess it's fine, man. Like, sometimes the model don't always work. When it does work, you need to have 100% confidence in your model. 100% confidence in your model. Maybe you do. Just have 100% confidence in your model, and I swear you don't go wrong. So after that, you can see, like, it just continuously makes new lows. Like, here it created another swing low right over here. Created another swing low. See, it created another swing low over there. You can just remove this. And it created another swing low. We are going off our daily, just marked off our area. Right over there, it created another swing low. Another swing low in a very nice area of bullish. For the very nice area. Okay, so looking from this area right where didn't create any new lows, you see, so that is the thing. So we can still use this area as a valid point of a low on our daily. So we can go to the high of this area over here. If you're looking at this high in this area over there, the high to the low, if you're looking at this area right over here, this is unless this creates a new low, but we're going to have to see how Monday closes. If Monday continuously closes bullish, and then we will have to look at trading another time, because look over here, it created a gap. Over here, straight into there. I feel like we just get rid of these areas over here. Okay, these are the main areas we need to note. You see those big areas, we need to work with that as massive areas. These are a lot shorter areas, you see. So we'll be looking at some type of retracement into this area right over here. Just the fall maybe is a bit big though, but we just need to see some sort of bearish momentum for this week, man. Because this thing was too bullish for this whole week. I think go bearish. Okay, so let's go on our 4H. Okay, we're looking at 4H. Looking at 4H, you can clearly see on a 4H, let's just invert this thing a little bit lower, man, because I feel like this thing is a bit too high. Invert that thing a little bit lower. Okay, we just need to look at some sort of area where the market will reject, you see. Okay, let's go back to the daily and let's look at that area where the market is trading at now. Let's see, because you can see here clearly there's like a lot of weak rejections in this little area over here. You see, a lot of weak rejections. So what we can do is we can put the little line like right in this area. Wait, not that line. Okay, we can just put a little mark a little zone here, a little area right above there. This area is good enough. I don't like color coding my things, guys. If you guys follow, like and subscribe, don't forget. If you guys follow me, you know I don't like to overcomplicate things, make different colors and all that nonsense. I like keeping it basic, man. So we'll be hopefully my model doesn't support short side. We will be looking for shorts. It's looking like there will be shorts, but for me, just resize this for us quickly. But for me, I'll be looking for my area of interest to be somewhere here at 2920. Oopsie. My area of interest is 292080. Like this area over here for my week, man. Like this is my area I'll be looking at for the week. This little area over here. We need to see some sort of rally into that little area over there, just so that we can confirm the direction of the market. Once it hits there, we can look for buys, but if it sells lower, we can always rely on our old lower levels as to get back on them, like previous retracements and so on. Y'all get what I mean. But for me, we'll be looking for short side, for some shorts for the week into this area over there, so that we can maybe enter on our buys once more, because the market needs to go down. It looks reasonable for it to happen. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and let's run this week, guys. Let's run this week. Let's go. Don't forget like and subscribe, and freaking smash that button. Y'all all are blessed, and y'all should remain blessed. Anyway, bless up. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.